and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Breach at Codli, Bandoda near Sesa mine collapses. Truck drivers injured. Driver shifted to Curchorem Health Center. Lobbies formed for CM's post in state. Rane's Montserrat, Alema's Madkaika's Ravi Naik, Movin Gudino create pressure groups. ECI gives nod to King Momo, permits carnival in major cities, restricts private carnivals. Fireworks expected in I-League final phase. Plenty of reasons for goals to cheer as Dempo Sports Club, Sargaukar Sports Club and Churchill Brothers stay in contention. And Mahesh Gowri ready to reconsider his retirement of Indian football. Needs him, climax Lawrence. Satisfied with AIFF's gesture, makes peace with authorities but rules out comeback. And now the news in detail. 3 truck drivers were injured after breach at Codli, Bandoda near Sesa mine collapsed on Wednesday afternoon. 3 are seriously injured and are shifted to the community health center in Curchorem. 5 trucks plying on the bridge fell into the Zuari River. The incident occurred on Wednesday afternoon. Have a look at this bridge. This bridge collapsed, injuring 3 drivers at Codli near Sesa mines. Sources claim that this bridge was rusted and needed repairs. The drivers are taking treatment at Community Health Center in Curchorem, informed about the incident.
गाड़ी लाइन होताले लाइन स्टॉप झाली की गाडी आवाज येले ब्रिजार कोटरा आवाज येने ब्रिज म्हणून पडली.
कितली गाडी बस पडल्या?
गाडी तर हांव तर सागे पळना हांव पडलेल्या गाडीतून 4 गाडी आसली.
4 आसलेल्यो?
हां त्या फुडें खबर ना.
आणि तुम्ही आज कितले तुम्ही 3 जाणां काढली भायर?
हां 3 जाणां आयली.
आणि कितली जाणां आसा भितर?
आता ती तर कितली हांव खबर ना म्हाका. हांव वयर आयलो मान न्हिदलो हांव.
तुम्ही चौकशी कितें करतले?
चौकशी करतले ती कसो ताचो स्ट्रेंथ कितें एक्चुअली स्ट्रेंथ कितें तेजी तेजो एंड्युरन्स टेस्ट कितल्या टनाचो केला आनी गाडयो इतल्यो वचपाची टनेज कितली आनी तो टनेज अलाउड आसा वो ना ताका चॅक करपाक तेजे कडेन कितें आहा एक सेक्युरिटी आसा किंवा तेजे कडेन ते कशें कितें सोडटा काय म्हणून कित्याक जेन्ना एक पूल ब्रीच करता तेन्ना ताचो एक एंड्युरन्स टेस्ट म्हणून आसता डबल दॅन द एक्चुअल तेजे विशीं जर माहीत आसत जाल्यार तो म्हणटलोच ताका लागून तेणें कितें केलां पळय आमकां ते मायनी कडेन इन्क्वायरी करची पडटा.
कंपनी पोलीस ऑफेन्स फायल करतले ते चालू असतात ते स्टेटमेंट बी रेकॉर्ड करतात सिक्युरिटीचे.
सो पूल कोणाचो हरशीं लोकल गाडयांक बीन काय मायनिंगा?
इन्क्वायरी केले ते प्रमाणे पूल हो सेजा कंपनीचो प्रायवेट पूल. एट ए टायम एकच गाडी वचपाची खंय सेक्युरिटी विचारले ते म्हणून सेक्युरिटी म्हणटा आपण आयकलना एकदम 5 गाडी गेल्यो ताका लोड चड जालो आनी गाडी हे पडले म्हणून पूल मोडलो म्हणटा ते.
Our reporter from Codli, Mayur Naik and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media. Lobbies of political leaders for the post of Chief Minister have been formed in the state. These lobbies have been formed well in advance before the assembly elections. There are 5 lobbies of politicians headed by Vishwajit Rane, Babush Montserrat, Churchill Alemau, Ravi Naik, Pandurang Madkaikar and Movin Gudino, and all are trying everything to get their candidates elected.
Heavyweights in Congress are planning all their strategies to have candidates from their camp elected to the assembly. A quick look at the Congress candidates' final list gives clear picture of 5 camps of heavyweights lobbying within the party for Chief Minister's post poll. Have a look at these lobbies and their candidates. Candidates in the first lobby are headed by Walpoi constituency Congress candidate Junior Rane. Vishwajit Rane lobby. Candidate Vishwajit Rane constituency Walpoi. Pratap Singh Rane for Poire. Rajesh Patnekar for Bicholi. Dayanand Sopte Mandre. Uday Paliyekar Shioli. Ashish Shirodkar Mapsa. The second lobby headed by Santa Cruz Congress candidate Babush Montserrat include Babush Montserrat Santa Cruz, Jennifer Montserrat Talegaon, Yatin Parekh Panji, Rudresh Sodankar Maye, Isidore Fernandez, Kankon, Pandurang Madkaikar, Kumbarzua, Daku Madkaikar, Priol. The third lobby, headed by Naveli Congress candidate, a heavyweight from Salsette, Chochal Alemao, includes Chochal Alemao Naveli, Joki Alemao Kukori, Valanka Alemao Benauli, Yuri Alemao Sange. Fourth lobby, headed by Ponda Congress candidate Ravi Naik, includes his son Ritesh Naik, who is contesting from Madkai constituency. His other son Roy Naik withdrew his nomination from May. Ravi Naik Ponda, Ritesh Naik Madkai. The fifth lobby is headed by Daboli Congress candidate Movin Gudino, which includes Movin Gudino Daboli, Gaetano Xavier Cortali. Sources say that Vishwajit Rane and Babush Montserrat have come together to overpower the other lobbies. If that happens, Rane and Montserrat lobby together have 13 candidates in their list. Now 6th March will tell whether these strategies and equations by lobbies within the Congress bear the fruits. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now King Momo can walk the streets of Goa. The state can usher in festival colors in the middle of political activities. Permission is granted to the Tourism Department to host carnival in major cities of the state. Carnival will be held from 18 to 21st of February. However, Commission has restricted private carnivals in the state. With just 3 days left, Election Commission of India has given nod to carnival celebrations in Goa. This year, carnival would be limited only at the government level. If any candidate holds carnival parade, then the expenditure would be added to the final expenses of his poll expenditure.
कमिशनान गोंयान कार्नावाल घेवपाक परमिशन दिल्लें आसा. तांणी 3 अटी घाल्ल्यो आसा. एक म्हणजे कार्नावालाची जी कमिटी आसतली ती कमिटी फक्त गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसरांची आसतली आनी तातूंत गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर सोडून आनी कोण नासतले अशें म्हणून. दुसरें म्हणजे जे कार्नावाल पेरेड्स जातले आनी कार्नावालाचो इव्हेंट आसतलो तो सगळो इव्हेंट व्हिडियोग्राफ करपाचो आनी दवरपाचो. हातूंत तिसरें म्हणजे हातूंत पॉलिटिकल सिम्बॉल्स किंवा कसले हाचो वापर करचो न्ही आनी ती स्क्रिनींग कमिटीन सगळी बीड आउट करची अशें म्हणून. ह्या 3 हाजेर ब्रॉड गायडलायन्साचेर तांणी कमिशनान कार्नावाल ह्या फावटी करपाक आमकां परमिशन दिल्लें आसा. दुसरें म्हणजे हें जें परमिशन दिल्लें आसा तें फक्त जे सरकारी हाजेर कार्नावाल जावपाचें आशिल्लें तांचे खातीर परमिशन दिल्लें आसा आनी हातूंत प्रायवेट कार्नावालाचो खंयच आस्पाव ना.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.